Questo bacio a sorpresa in diretta TV dal conduttore Jean-Michel Maire su
opportunity for those who donate to the fight cancer. The best kind of photobomb here.
Tanto vediamo lo scalzo. Ah, mamma mia!
No, questa poi no.
Pazzesco. Zoppica un po', è stato investito dalla cameraman. Queste sono riprese non della regia internazionale ma della...
Adesso invece è il primo degli umani.
The question is, how do democracies respond to those scandals?
And what will it mean for the wider region? I think one of your children has just walked in. I mean, shifting sands in the region. Do you think relations with the North may change?
I would be surprised if they do. Pardon me.
That's right.
My apologies.
What's this going to mean for the region?
My apologies. South Korea's policy choices on North Korea have been severely limited.
También va a pelear con México. México va a pelearle a Alemania, pero me da la impresión de que Alemania ya llegó a su límite y México ya también llegó a su límite.
¿Me permite? ¡Chile! ¡Chile!
Los Dodgers se enfrentan a los Cardenales de San Luis. Esto el sábado a las 8:30. Y obviamente el mejor combo de NFL lo tenemos también aquí los domingos. Yo soy Jimena Sánchez, la chica del clima, para lo mejor de Fox Sports.
Of course, you will be wearing a life vest, right? Yeah. And this is what the life vest is supposed to look like.
Qué buena la acogida que le dieron en Mexicali. Se ría. Señores, hoy estamos preocupados por el huracán.
Well, today is the Powerball's 25th anniversary. The game began 25 years ago in 1992. The Idaho Lottery is celebrating by offering in-store events and statewide promotions to commemorate the event. Throughout the years, Powerball has sold over $766 million worth of tickets in Idaho alone. And there have been a total of 5 jackpot winners in the gem state.
Qué buena la acogida que le dieron en Mexicali. Se ría. Señores, hoy estamos preocupados por el huracán.
Liz Taylor is being played by Stockard Channing, and Marlon Brando is being played by
Cedric the Entertainer. We're coming right back.
Are you going to have a vest that's open? I'm sorry. We were talking to Sam about Dancing for the Stars, and I guess we're supposed to be talking about hold yourself together. Special Olympics athletes from Abilene to San Angelo who are here in town. You want me to read yours? Okay.
Letter F. So a F, it can be first name, last name.
Fiona thinks she's the person with the letter F in your life.
Of course, I can't believe I forgot about my dear Fiona. You are the F in my life, Fiona.
I can't.
Jesus! Que é isso? Nossa, Jesus, misericórdia. A mulher figurinha.
Ó. Eu vou explicar para você que está em casa, nos assistindo. Nós temos aqui.
Ndio hali ilivyokuwa jijini Nairobi na Kisumu hii leo na kunradhi bado tukiwa katika hili swala mtazamaji.
Dan, what can we kind of expect?